Hello guys. So we are doing Python programming. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, with print something, and then it'll go here, guys. Yeah, and then we're gonna press T, and then this, and then we're gonna press Shift 9, and then we're gonna press this one. Okay, wait, delete this one. Wait, okay, and then this one. There you go. Okay, now let's put row. Yeah, row. There you go. Now we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna press file. Let's press save all, and then I'm gonna right click this, and then we're gonna press run basic print. Okay, and then there's roll right here. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one. Okay, I'm just gonna press this and then return, and then I'm gonna press save print, and then space shift 9 again. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna stop saying that, but okay, I'm gonna put the name. I'm gonna say the name. Okay, the name is gonna be I'm gonna do it all uppercase. Yeah. Okay, pale. What is that name about that? Okay, let's do it. We're just gonna go file save all again. Okay, now we're gonna right click this, and then we're gonna rush for run basic point. Okay, there you go, and then there's pale. Okay, that's a kind of name that I thought. Yeah, and so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you subscribe and like. Bye bye.